Good evening. We're going to look at the SoClean replacement cartridge filter kit. See if it's actually worth the $50 that they want and whether you actually need to do it or not. They say all it is a one-way valve and a new air filter for it. So I checked my one-way valve. The one-way valve was working fine, so I didn't replace that on mine. But I did replace the air filter cartridge. But I was curious to open it up and see if it's actually worth it. So that's what you get in the kit. O-ring, your replacement cartridge, and your one-way valve, which needs to be replaced every 6 months. So let's take the O-ring off, open it up, and see if it actually did need to be replaced. Just gonna grab a screwdriver and pop her open, assuming you can. Might need a little more coercion than originally thought. And the other thing I wanted to see is if you can change the filter media yourself without having to buy the kit every time, because that would be significantly cheaper. We'll see what's inside. Well, it looks like it's just a plain carbon filter. I have a feeling you can order just this for a lot cheaper than the entire kit. Gonna take a look if you can. I'll just cut it to size. So there's a few locking tabs on it for future removal. Well, most of them broke, so I don't think this was ever designed to be taken apart. But it does look like it can be put back together, and it will function fine. And then the way to test this is, see the arrows, you just basically blow into it the opposite direction, and you shouldn't be able to blow into it. And you should obviously be able to blow into it if you blow this way. And then of course the other secret that's in here is how to reset your machine from flashing, because it will flash red and give you warnings if you don't replace the cartridge. But basically that's all you need to do. You gotta hold the manual button and the little hourglass until you get the happy face, and there you go. You've reset your machine and potentially saved $50.